welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create split screen videos in the Edits app. Well, first up, let's just go ahead and create a new project. Now I'm going to add in one video. Okay. For example, this video right here. Okay. Once that's done, I'm just going to tap on the check mark to add it on our timeline. Wait for it. Now what we're going to do first to make a split screen is just go ahead and tap on the overlay right here at the bottom. Make sure that you don't select any of the clip, okay? Because when you select a clip, the overlay will not be available. Okay, again, tap away, then go ahead and tap on overlay. Now let's say, for example, I'm going to add in this video. I'm just going to tap on it and hit on the check mark. Right here, as you can see, it is now at the top of our first video. Now what do we do next? Well, it is up to you. Put it wherever you want, okay? For example, at this angle, and then I'm going to make it bigger like that. I'm just going to pinch it using my two fingers. All right. Say, for example, I'm going to put it right here at the top. Okay. Just like that. Now we have a split screen. That's basically how I do it. Now, if you're happy with it, just go ahead and hit on export and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.